So a lot of times I am having low tire pressure in my tires, and sometimes I've even gotten a flat tire and had to just drive until it blew out. Not good, I know. So I got this air pump, and it is really nice because you get to plug it in to your car. As you can see, it has the outlet for your car. And then you have, of course, the part that's going to interlock on your tire. And then you have the power button, there's different modes, and then how high you want the tire pressure to be and how low, and you also have a light. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook this up to my car and air my tire up. All I'm doing right now is I'm gonna turn my car on and plug this up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and air my tire up. So now that I have it plugged up, I'm just gonna use the machine. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. So since it is bright outside, it's a little hard to see, but the numbers mean that it is on and it's ready to be pumped. It already has my PSI pressure ready for me to just press the power button. So all I'm gonna do is shut my door. I'm gonna move to this back tire. So as you can see, my tire pressure is pretty low. So I'm just going to lock it on there. Press on, and now it is going. My tire pressure was at 32, so that means it was pretty low. Hits the PSI that you want it to hit, then it turns off automatically. So if you're looking for a nice air compressor, this definitely is a good choice. I'm Kinsey, and I'll see you next time.